my channel. My name is Priscilla, and today I have for you guys a new video, my playlist video. I haven't done one in like a little while. You guys know the deal. I listen to various genres of music: reggaeton, corridos, hip-hop, rap, reggae, rock en español. So this playlist is going to be very diverse. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get on with the video.
They call me baby, get money in my pockets daily. Got the can you rock it, baby? Got the sauce, na 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 na. Now they all wanna call me wavy. Aquí la vamos a montar, a montarla, a montarla, a montarla.
Pónteme de espalda. Ay.
You with the right man, you ain't got a price tag or ask how much, not what I look like. So I'm from Brooklyn, what it look like. You get it cause I got it so I get it. In Miami they say don't stop, get it.
Y yo suélalo, acá yo aceléralo, todo el mundo está abajo y se mide ese bajo fuerte como ron, falda con mi pantalón bailando reggaetón.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. The ladies love luxury, that's why they don't fuck me. Out here with the moves, like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
Hoy te tengo más enemies, coconut, Samarian, golden, full panty, no party, in New York, full tattoo, big loving, super cool, muérdete, búbalo, personal, tú si no, tú si big, bubble top, takening, yo también soy feliz, free for me, lo mejor de todo es que está ahí.
No face, no case, but I hit the first night, first date. I be really riding a whip, windows in the back, bitch in the front, bitch in the back, stay in the cut, racking up stacks, stay low key, really answer like that.
¿Y sabes qué?
No te he contado más, no te voy a negar, si nos besamos, nos entregamos, pero hasta ahí no más. Fueron unos cuantos besos, 2 o 3 caricias, me ganó el deseo de que fuera mía, como coqueteo, y pues yo qué hacía.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough, and I used to think that I wasn't wild enough, but I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? Never knew what I was missing, but I knew I'd please or kiss it. I found
De frente y medio tira para atrás, quería que la arrestara.
Por dentro ella lleva mucha maldad y lo refleja en su cara. Vive la vida con mucha felicidad, llega el fin de semana y no le importa nada. I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where you ought to be.
and that's how I control this feeling you keep giving, you keep on giving it. Baby, it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you.
Que me mires, el tiempo se para y quedemos tú y yo. Que te muevas y te muerdas el labio a cámara lenta. Ay, como me tienta. No quiero que acabe nunca esta fantasía.
Esta noche voy a hacerte mía.
Ponte en acción a cámara lenta. Pierde el control cuando tú me...
You had it and you lost all the shine. I can buy Billy, don't talk to me. Full shot.
She said, what you gonna do if I leave? I said, bitch, I'ma do me. B.I.G., bitch, everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot. ¿Qué está pasando? ¿Qué está pasando? Yo no lo sé, pero parece que ella se quiere vengar de él. Soy tu novio, te termina. Yo te tengo la mejor medicina. Soy tu novio, te termina. Mezcla guara con tequila. Hace rato no la ven, pero hoy salió a beber porque ya no tiene novio.
know my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check.
Bitch, I heard this live and I'm still not fucking over it.
They just want clout. I'm just so poppin'. I'm just like fuck, yeah. Everybody tryna get a rise out of me. Escorts tryna get a high of me. I don't talk bad unless you're worthy. Hanging flags up like Jersey.
It's so being this shit. Oh, I was so off.
Voy a presentarme, vino perra pa' el carpintero. Soy considerado y el arco del arco y el número 1. Soy de Sinaloa, proveniente de la gloria y pa' todo el mundo.
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Hey, where's Carly D when you need him?
But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got pants in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got pants in the coop. Es una hechicera. Una seductora.
Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't doing no playing, these red bottoms on over.
The text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ayy, he say he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like who is you for? But I'm a boss bitch, who you gonna leave me for? Got no class, you bitches is broke still. I be talking. Bailándonos quemamos, bailándonos.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna keep these glasses on, you know, just for safety purposes. Let me know your favorite songs, or if you have any songs you've been listening to or vibing to. I could use some new music in my playlist, so go ahead and drop those down below. Again, don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.